Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Tick and TRIN in TradingView app on your PC, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the TradingView app on your PC, and now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface of the TradingView app on in the screen. And make sure you are already logged in as well, and you can also see this is the chart of the BTC USDT. And if you want to use Tick and TRIN in this chart, then what you can do is you can see there is a indicators option just right side of this candles icon. So you need to click on the indicators, and let's search for the tick for now. So once you search for the tick, you can see there is a tick chart in here, and the likes is 7,195. So you simply need to click on this one, and yeah, you will be able to use Tick in this chart successfully. And if you want to use the TRIN, then simply click on the indicators again. Let's search for the TRIN, and you can see there is a ARM index TRIN in here, so which is developed by author, and the like is 7972. So yeah, basically you need to click on this one, and yeah, you'll be able to use TRIN in here as well. So basically this is how you can use Tick and TRIN on your TradingView app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.